Buying a home is likely going to be the biggest investment you do, whether it's remodeling, building, and a big part of that investment is the design, figuring out what you want. And we have a seminar coming up talking about timber frame design with remodels and floor plans, new home building, 27th, Thursday night, 6 p.m. We're going to have a tour of the shop. We're going to sit down for an hour and squeeze as much good information into that. And we're going to also take any questions you might have. We're going to write them on the whiteboard at first. And if we can work that into the content, we will. And there'll be time afterwards for questions. We are going to provide some food so you can come straight from work, coffee, just have a good time and really get pointed in the right direction. Here's a little story about getting what you want. There was a couple that came to us. We were number 3 on the floor plan design, the home plan design. I don't say this as bragging that we're so great, we finally solved their problems. I have a strong suspicion if we had been designer A, we would have been fired as well. This couple had plenty of money and they just kind of started without really getting their feet underneath them, without asking what they want, without anything like this, any research, really thinking about who they are, what they want, the type of people they want to hire. It didn't turn out good. 1 investment, 2 investment, 3 investment, finally got what they want. So there's a better way to do it, and sometimes maybe designer A had limited revisions to where you start to feel like you're spending more than you should to get what you want. Maybe there was a listening problem. Maybe there's just a disconnect that happens. The more you can get your feet under you, the more you can think about things that are really resonating. That's what this seminar is going to be about. Really getting kind of a foundation laid for you. Good. So Kalama, Washington, Thursday night, October 27th, 6 p.m., refreshments. Hope to see you there.